All right, so this one I just couldn't wait. I had to go ahead and take a little peek. I think that this is one that might sneak up on people a little further down the line. And I have to admit, this is the very first time that I've ever tried the Puma Speedcat OG. Now, if you care, let me tell you a little bit of a story to why I decided to pick these up. So 6 months ago, I, just like you probably watching this video, I went on YouTube and I decided to search for the Asics Gel Kayano 14. And I scroll down and I see that the video was made 2 years ago. And then I thought to myself, where have you been all this time? So I wonder if maybe in the near future with A$AP Rocky, Dua Lipa, Emily Ratajkowski, or I know that is not how you pronounce her name, but there has been tons of celebrity influence with Puma, along with Rihanna. Maybe you'll be watching this video like I did with the Asics 2 years from now in 2026, maybe. And if you're totally unfamiliar, yes, Puma, the Speedcat OG, is a racing icon. In just this red colorway, it just makes me think of something fast, makes me think of a Speedcat, hence the name. Now, first off, let's go ahead, let's talk about sizing. Sizing is definitely true to size. I'm a size 10 and I do have a bit of a wider foot. Surprisingly, I have no problems with this shoe whatsoever. So would recommend true to size. And the thing I really love about this sneaker is, of course, the all suede upper. If you're a fan of suede sneakers, you're absolutely gonna love the materials that do come on these colorways that they've come out with recently. This is of course a red colorway. They just recently came out with a brown. You can also shop a black colorway if you're looking for something that's monochromatic. And also for the females, or you know, even for some of the guys out there, there's a pink colorway if that's something you want to try to pull off. I'm not that fly, I couldn't do it. But this sneaker surprisingly is kind of winning me over. And when you put your foot inside of here, these have a ortholite insole, which makes the comfort of the sneaker. And I can actually pull that out here and you can see the ortholite branding, and you can also see the pattern there. So as we slide that back in there, that's definitely gonna help with the comfort. So if you're looking for something that's stylish, that also matches the trends to the current wave of sneakers and the direction that they're going, and something that you can definitely rock for a daily use, this is a really, really good option. Embossed gold Puma logo there on the heel. And the only other Puma detail that we get here is of course the embroidery there on the toe. And this specific colorway comes with a black outsole and of course the red Puma branding right in the center of the outsole. So for a styling perspective, I'll throw up some images of how celebrities have been rocking these sneakers. These are images from Puma and their celebrities, their endorsement, you know, athletes, celebrities, etc., how they have been styling these. I know Dua Lipa, for the campaign, she was wearing shorts out in the desert. Now for me, the first option here is going to be a light heather gray sweatpant, and of course I will throw on a black set so you can kind of get a perspective to which one you may or may not like, and also get some outfit inspiration. Now this color denim here I think is going to look really, really good with this red set of sneakers, and I will link a few really good options here, and also this pair right here in the YouTube shop tab. But that color of the darker blue denim is going to offset this red. It's going to make the sneakers really, really pop, and I love it. And this one, you guys let me know down below in the comments. This is a baggy set of jeans from Abercrombie, similar to the pair that we just had there in a darker wash. This is going to be a light wash. Let me know what you think of the color combo with the light wash denim with this red colorway. Let me know what you think of them. And for our on foot look, this is how they look. Like I said, let us know what you think. And when it comes to how it seems like people are styling this sneaker, it seems like females are definitely rocking these with shorts, which I think is a really good option. It seems like males are kind of doing a oversized or maybe a baggy or just a straight fit denim that's kind of stacking over the cuffs of the sneaker. But let us know how you plan to style this sneaker and what are your thoughts on it. Have you picked this pair up yet? And as always, we really appreciate you for coming through. Be sure to hit that blue icon there to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy content like this, and we'll catch you in the very next video.